Buenas tardes, good evening. Me llamo Himanshu, soy de profesor de español. My name is Himanshu, I am Spanish professor. Hoy voy a enseñaros los sonidos en español. Today I'm going to teach you sounds in Spanish. Entonces, empezamos. So, let us start. Spanish vowel sounds. In Spanish, we have vowels like English, A, E, I, O, U, but their pronunciation is different. A gives a sound, as in ha, ha, ha. Example, poeta. E gives a sound, as in he, he, he. Ejemplos, pierna. I gives e sound, as in he, he. Example, puerta. O gives o sound, as in ho, ho, ho. Ejemplo, como. U gives u sound, as in hu, hu. Example, ejemplo means example, abuela. So you have to learn it by heart if you want to read Spanish perfectly. I repeat, A gives a, E gives a, I gives e, O gives o, U gives u sound. Let us do some practice. AU, which gives AU sound. Aula, aunque. AI gives I sound, and AY also gives I sound. Example, aire, I. Now remember, in Spanish, H is always silent. EU will become EU. Example, Europa, neutro. EI, AE, EY, AE. Example, reina, rei. IA, IA. Example, piano, Asia. IE, EA. Example, tierra, serpiente. IO, IO, radio. IU, EU, viuda, ciudad. OI, OI, OY, OI. Oír, oí. UE, UA, agua, cuadro. UE, UE, fuego, trueno. UI, UI, ruido, cuidado. UO, UO, antiguo, monstruo. AI, आई, आयरे, बाइले, आई, पाई, साखे. Now the J gives kh sound, which we will do in my coming slides. Trigo, EI, AE, EY, AE. Seis, afeitarse, treinta, treinta, reina, lei, oi, oi gives oi, oy gives oi sound. Yo estoy, yo oigo, yo soy, coincidencia, coincidencia. UI, uy will give ui sound. Muy, ruido, cuidado, Luis. Influir, construir. Au, autobiografía, autobiografía. Autor, pausa, fauna, aunque. Now remember, Q, U, A together it gives k sound. So it becomes K, aunque. EU, EO, neutral, Europa, deuda, neurótico. So the previous slides are same sounds which I have taught you. Those are repeated. Let us move to this one. Sound from C. In Spanish, whenever after C either E or I comes, it will give S sound. And when it is A, O or U comes after C, the word will give K sound. Examples are CASA will be casa, CERO, cero, cielo, cosa, cuerpo. Now you can see after K, whenever the K sound is coming, after C, we have either A, O or U. Sound from G. The sound from G also follow the same rules which we did in this slide. Whenever after G it is either E or I, G will give kh sound, kh as in khargosh. Otherwise it will give g sound, g as in Ghana. Gato, Genaro, girasol, gordo, gustar. Sound from GUE and GUI and GUE and GUI. These two dots, we call them diaeresis. First example is GUERRA. So GUE without diaeresis gives gay sound. Gay. So it is guerra, guitarra, queso. When we have diaeresis, the sound is different. Vergüenza. So we will pronounce each letter when we have diaeresis. Vergüenza. Linguística. Pinguino. Rule: whenever either G or Q is followed by U, the sound of U is not pronounced. Double L sound, in Spanish, it gives either Y sound or J sound. It never gives L sound. Spanish is spoken in many countries, and hence the pronunciation is different of double L. Sometimes it is Y and sometimes it is J. Llover, llamar. You can also say llover or llamar. Sound from J and G. J is the letter which always gives kh sound. Kh as in khargosh. Kha, khe, khi, kho, khu. Examples: sound from J and G. Jefe, gente, jirafa, girasol, agenda, Argentina. Capone, jefe, traje, jirafa, खोया. Rojo, junio, jueves, reloj, Juan. Jose, Javier, Jorge. Sound from R and double R. In Spanish, R gives the same sound like English, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. But double R gives ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Pero, cara, aranya, rojo, padre, virus. Perro, carro, agarradera, correo, arriba, arruga. So this is all about Spanish sounds. If in case you liked my video, you can subscribe for my course for A1 and A2 level. I hope to meet you soon. Thank you so much for having your time.